Good morning. Hi, Ryan. How is everybody? I hope everybody is doing well this morning. Um, you can tune in. I don't know if you all know, I'm sure you do. Hi, Elle. You can tune into WLS, and you can see a live chapel service today at 10 o'clock in the morning. Hi, Josh. I think it would be really nice if we all went on and we can see Pastor and Tom, Mr. Gerhold. Hi, Aaron. Aaron, you just put it in once. You don't need to put it in so many times. um, yes, Aaron, please stop. Okay, thank you. I'd appreciate it if you could cooperate and not repeat your messages so many times. All right, thank you. I appreciate that. All right, today we're going to. Hi, Luke. Okay, as long as you're listening. Who is Tostitos? I don't know who Tostitos is. Uh, Okay, hi, Aaron. I know you said hi. Once is good. Thank you. Who is Tostitos? Silver Ninja is Caleb. Hi, Caleb. Right? I think Silver Ninja is Caleb. Okay, I will get these names sooner or later. I will get all your little chat names. Tostitos is Bridget. Okay, hi, Bridget. Annabelle, hi. All right, welcome. Um, Today is Friday, and then we get 2 weeks of Easter vacation. Hooray! Hi, Piper. Um, Hi, Spencer. Hi, Juliet. All right. And who is Birds Work for the Borghese? I don't know who that is. Okay. Hi, Sammy. Hi, Sarah. I hope you are all doing well. Good morning, and thank you for joining. Um, we have a lot of you here this morning. Great. Thank you. All right. I hope you're all keeping up with your schoolwork for all the classes. And again, if you have any questions for me, please let me know. Celeste, hi. Oh, that's you. Okay, Celeste, got it. All right. Uh, no, it's not Taryn. I recognize Taryn's. I don't remember what it is, but I recognize it. Who is Loaf? Loaf. I don't know who Loaf is. Oh, Inky Boy. That's Taryn. Hi, Taryn. There you are. All right. Awesome. Yeah, I don't know who Tostitos is. Somebody says that it's Bradley, but Bradley has a different one unless you all have. Okay, I guess it's Bradley. Okay. Hi, Caroline. All right. Um, Thank you. Okay, today let's get down to business. Today we're going to review chapter 12, lesson 1 and lesson 2. I hope you are all always ready to take notes, and I hope that you have your books as I've asked you to have every morning, because it just makes things a lot easier for both of us and you can follow along. Okay. Um, so we are on page 393, and we're gonna review the two sections, section 1 and section 2. Sammy, I don't know when you will get your Google Classroom info. It's brand new. I'm sure we will start using it sometime when we get back after spring break. Okay, so now we're all going to be using Google Classroom when you come back. But don't worry, you'll all be set up and you'll be notified of what to do. What about the homework? You can turn in the homework to me, as always. Send it Google Docs to my Gmail, please, which is Marti, Marti, Packman, Packman, all one word, 195 at gmail.com. And that's where you should send your homework now. All right. Okay. Also, here we go. The golden age of Greece. Who can tell me a couple things or one thing each that Pericles' achievements. Who can tell me one of Pericles' achievements? Remember Pericles, the great Greek ruler? Can you, anybody? Okay. There we go. Anybody? Making Athens pretty or more beautiful? Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Sammy. Modernizing. I don't know who a Bepik Human is, but let me know. All right. Strengthen democracy. Awesome. Made a great territory claim. Yes. Beautified Athens. Strengthen democracy. Thank you, Spencer and Piper. All right. So he did all of these things. He also said that everyone was equal before the law, right? Another thing he did is he paid public officials to be in the government. And that was important because before, a lot of them, most of them didn't get paid, and therefore it was only wealthy people that could do that. But now, since he was able to pay the poor people, and so a lot of the poor people came and worked for the government where they didn't have any representation before. Okay, he fought and led in the Peloponnesian War. Absolutely, Sammy. Good. I think between all of you, you got it. You got it done. All right. And then also, it is really, really important for you to grasp this next concept. There is a big difference between a direct democracy and a representative democracy. Hi, Devin. A direct democracy, people in Greece voted directly, right? You had to be 18, son of Greek parents, but you voted directly on everything. The United States is an indirect, or more, a better word is a representative democracy. And we elect representatives. We elect representatives to vote on most of our laws. And so that is a big difference. And I want you to make sure that you know about it. In direct democracy, all citizens participate in government activities. In a representative democracy, selected people do this task. Okay. And I want you to review page 395. Remember this, you should have it in your journals. The difference between Athenian and US democracy. That is really important. They both had political power, both government had 3 branches, but there were also a lot of differences in who could vote and how they voted. Okay, so make sure that you review that. And then we have the Delian League. Can anybody tell me what the Delian League was used for? What was the Delian League? We're on page 395. What was the Delian League? I'll give you a few minutes to answer. What was the Delian League? Anyone? Remember we talked about it yesterday? Loaf says the Delian League was like the SWAT team. No, not really. Sort of, I guess, in a very broad sense. Anyone else? See, Association of Greek Cities. Yes, good job. I don't know who a Bepikumen is. It would be great if you identified yourself. They protected the area. That's right. They were set up for protection. And it was a fund of money that they could protect, especially from the Persians, right? It was a strong meeting of all the city-states for protection. And so Athens dominated the Delian League. The Delian League was moved to Athens. Remember, Athens was getting very powerful. It was taking in other city-states. And And so that a lot of city states did not like that. And then you talked about one of Pericles' achievements was beautifying Athens. Um, I need to send one student a text here. Sorry. Okay. Sasha, hi. All right. So he beautified Athens and he used funds from the Delian League. And we talked about how wrong that was because this was a fund that was supposed to be used for the protection and benefit of many city states, right, including Sparta. And so Pericles took money there, a lot of money to beautify Athens, to modernize Athens, to rebuild the Acropolis. He had constructed the Parthenon, all of those beautiful buildings. But Pericles used money from this fund without any approval. He just took the money. And so that did not go well. And eventually is one of the things that led to the Peloponnesian War. Now, what were the causes of the Peloponnesian War? Anybody? Causes of the Peloponnesian War. We are on page 399. So, causes of the Peloponnesian War. Anyone? Okay, Athens was becoming too powerful. City-states were mad at Athens. Excellent. The plague, Sammy, was not a cause of the war, but it was a result of the war because of what Pericles did. Sparta thought Athens was getting too strong. That's right. City-states feared Athens. That's right. Used the money for beautifying Athens. Thank you. Spartan and Athens both wanted to be the best. They both wanted to have the most city states. And so, yes, and they feared Sparta growing. And so those were the causes of the Peloponnesian War. Hi, Kevin. They had to stop their power in order to take over. That's right. So, does anyone remember how long the Peloponnesian Wars lasted? We are on pages 400 to 401. Anyone remember how long they lasted? Let's see. Ryan says Athenian settlers began to move onto the lands of other city states. Absolutely. Sparta was feared of Athens growing. Yes. Ooh, a Bipikuman. I still don't know who you are, but Piper, you got it. 27 years. That's right. They went on. Good, Piper. They went on for 27 years. Aaron says Sparta had to attack Athens from running away from seas. Not sure exactly what that means, but yes, Devin got it as well. 27 years. All right, so it's a long time. And the war went on, it ruined land, it killed people. And ultimately, yes, Josh, good, 27 years. And ultimately, it weakened all the city states, all right? Because you're at war for 27 years, that's a lot of your country's city states resources that you are using. And then you had a homework on the strategies of Athens and Sparta, and you also had to list the advantages of Athens and Sparta. Oh, okay. Thank you, Aaron. He meant because Athens' strategy not to avoid battles by sea, Aaron. Remember, Athens had a great naval fleet, and so they wanted to fight by sea. They wanted to not fight on land. All right. So yes, so the strategy of Athens was to fight by sea, to take their naval fleet and attack the city states. And Sparta wanted land, right? And Athens couldn't get directly to Sparta by sea, but they could get to Sparta by attacking all of their city states that were their allies. And then Sparta wanted to fight by land, and they went in and they ruined all of the crops for Athens. They ruined their countryside so that they were hoping really to starve them to death. And so what happened is Pericles rounded up all his people and he put them inside the walls of Athens. And then sadly, I think it was Sammy that said this. I think that it was Sammy that said this. Yes. Then there were so many people and so much overcrowding in Athens that they had a plague, and a lot of Athenians were killed because of this plague in Athens. Took many, many lives, and it was a disease that spread easily and spread throughout the people. Uh, Thank you, Sammy. Yes, Athens had food shipped in by sea. That's right. That's right. That's great. Um, Okay. And then we have, of course, the consequences of the war. It lasted 27 years. It weakened military power. It weakened their economies. And then when countries, city states, areas are weakened, somebody else usually wants to come in and take over, right? And when we come back from Easter break, we will talk about Philip of Macedonia, who took advantage of the weakened city states. Josh is asking if we had homework. Yes, we did have homework. You had to give me a paper on the strategies of Athens and Sparta in the Peloponnesian War, and also the advantages of Athens and Sparta in the Peloponnesian War. And you send that to my Gmail. You all need to keep checking GradeLink, please. All of the assignments are posted on GradeLink, and also your parents got a Google Doc sheet with assignments. So yes, thank you, Aaron. That's right. Aaron is telling everybody to check on GradeLink. All right. Um, Kevin, I haven't gone through all the homeworks yet, but if you sent it to my Gmail, I will be correcting those today. And you can look on GradeLink, look at your grades, and make sure that they're there. It'll take me a couple days. It takes a lot longer to grade receiving things email, but I get it back to you right away. Okay, do you have any questions about today and the review that we had? Also, remember, take notes on these reviews because these are the kind of things that will be on your quest. Okay, I don't know who Tostitos is, but you need to stop chatting and tune in, please. Thank you. All right. So, anybody have any questions? Any questions at all? We've gone over the homework. I've had what Tostitos is Teddy. Okay, Teddy, you need to please stop. I'm sorry, but you need to stop chatting and tune in. All right, Miss Packman. There was a great fight with. This is from Luke. There was a great fight with Sparta and Athens. Sparta lost, but the area was attacked in Sparta. No, Sparta won, my darling. Sparta won. All right. Happy birthday to Devin's brother. All right. So, any questions? Any questions on your homework? No questions. All right. Please remember the end of the quarter is April 3rd. You must turn in all your work there. If I don't get your work by Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to put zeros in. And the only way to remove those zeros is by turning in your homework. All right. So tonight, there is no homework, but you have the homework from yesterday. Okay. Thank you all for tuning in. Miss you. Love you. Please stay safe. Have a wonderful Easter vacation. All right. And tune in to chapel today at 10 o'clock. All right. See you later. Bye. You're welcome. Thank you. You have a great day too. All right. Goodbye.